Bring life and tranquility to your outdoor space with our top picks for solar water pumps. In this video, we're diving into some of the best solar fountain pumps on the market, perfect for bird baths, ponds, fish tanks, and garden decor. Whether you're looking for a D solar water pump kit, a high-efficiency solar fountain with a glass panel, or a floating pump with colorful lights, we've got you covered. Let's see then. AISITIN D Solar Water Pump Kit. D Solar Water Pump Kit. Create your own bird bath fountain or fish tank water circulation system. High efficiency and long life. Upgraded 1.5 W pump with a large area solar panel for strong, reliable power. 6 different water styles. Includes 6 nozzles for varied jet shapes and easy customization. Easy to use. Automatic operation in seconds when exposed to sunlight. Long 7.6 feet wire for flexible placement. Bird baths, fish tanks, small ponds, gardens. No battery included. Operates in direct sunlight. SCMP Solar Fountain 3.5 W Bird Bath Fountains. Latest 100% glass solar panels. Stronger light transmittance for stable, lasting spray. High-end glass manufacturing process. Anti-corrosion, durable, and aesthetically pleasing design. 7 different water styles. 7 nozzles for diverse spray patterns to decorate your patio. Special anti-drift design. 4 innovative fixtures prevent the fountain from moving randomly. Multi-scene application. Perfect for bird baths, small ponds, swimming pools, fish tanks, garden decoration, and oxygen circulation. AISITIN Solar Bird Bath Fountain Floating. Environmental protection and economy. Solar powered, no batteries needed. Works in 3 seconds. 6 nozzles and 6 modes. 6 different nozzles for various spray shapes, 30 to 50 centimeters height. Multi-purpose. 5.1 diameter, ideal for bird baths, fish tanks, ponds, pools, gardens, and outdoor oxygen circulation. Easy to use. Simply place in water under sunlight for automatic operation. Suggestion: ensure pump is fully submerged, clean regularly, and exposed to full direct sunlight. Solar fountain glass panel with 2200 mAh battery and colorful lights. High conversion glass panel and easy to clean. High quality full glass panel for efficient light conversion. Colorful LED light solar fountain. 6 LEDs auto light up at night. 2200 mAh battery for 3 to 4 hours night operation. Water shortage protection system and blocking protection system. Auto shut off when water is low or pump is clogged. Anti-drift design. Includes 4 fixed rods and 3 filter cottons to prevent random movement and clogging. 8 nozzles. Enjoy 8 different fountain styles. Test in direct sunlight. May stop in cloudy conditions.
Tips for optimal performance. Ensure the solar panel is exposed to direct sunlight. Keep the solar panel and pump clean to prevent clogging and maximize efficiency. Make sure the pump is fully submerged in water. Some models may not work on cloudy days or at night unless they have a battery.
Tips for optimal performance. Ensure the solar panel is exposed to direct sunlight. Keep the solar panel and pump clean to prevent clogging and maximize efficiency. Make sure the pump is fully submerged in water. Some models may not work on cloudy days or at night, unless they have a battery.